all home, but I could find it.
Photoshop.
Yes.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
did delete a whole bunch of stuff.
Okay,
Like
let's go do
software
this.
here.
Right now, I just want a formula for the area of this shape. Now, we know the area of an equilateral triangle, square root of 3 over 4s squared, correct? Now, I need to find s. S is pretty generic. So if I look at my picture here, let's think about that. S is this. It's also this and it's also that, right? But those floating up into space don't help me at all. It's the one on the ground that's nice. Think about it. S goes from here to here. If I look at this triangle, it goes from here to here. So no matter where I look, they go from one parabola to the other. And how do you do distance in math?
Subtract.
Subtract. So S is that top function minus the bottom function. Correct? And I went ahead and distributed my negative. So my area, square root of 3 over 4, when I combine those, that is 8 minus 2x squared. Squared? You with me there? Now, in this problem, that's all they asked for. They just wanted you to get practice on finding an area formula. However, if I were to find the volume, it would just be the integral of this. And here's my question, what would my bounds be?
Or they.
So in our case, negative 2 to 2, you're still looking at that x-axis? You would agree with that?
Yeah.
And I would probably, honestly, I would take that out. And then you would FOIL that to get that answer, right? You'd FOIL and power rule and all that. Can we go ahead and use a calculator real quick and find me that answer? Total?
So on my on the ERs the other day, my calculator,
Wrong mode.
and I did like the entire problem. And, like my, this is in the wrong book because I did like I forget what I did, but like it didn't make any
Yeah.
sense. So I went back and I had to like
There
change
were a
every single
couple
answer.
in pre-calc that were doing vectors, and they were doing the angle between, so they should get something between 0 and 360, right? They were getting like negative 2 point something. I'm like, really? You think you're in the right mode? Go ahead and find me that integral. No, I would just find the integral easily and then just multiply your answer by square root of 3 over 4. Personally, is what I would do. But these calculators are nice and neat. It wouldn't matter. You could put it out in front. The old calculators, I would most definitely not do that. So I would give you a decimal. But this should give you an exact answer. It's nice, neat, handy calculators.
Like I can't use my calculator anymore.
Yeah, it's really hard.
It's hard like from.
It is, isn't it? You get, and I still have people in pre-calc that don't want to use these.
They're so like easy.
Yeah.
You
What do we get?
don't worry about like putting.
512 times the square root of 3 over 15.
I got 10, 20.
I got 5 12 square root.
Did you multiply by square root of 3 or 4?
Yeah. I put it in
For
front.
negative
So.
2, 2.
You square everything? That sounds about right. Let me see what I put in. Oh, because you put square root of 3/4. Square root of 3 over 4. Did you do the same thing? Okay. So even the question was just asking for this. It wanted to give you practice on finding the area function, but we can go ahead and find the volume. In homework tonight, some of them will ask you for just the area function. You can stop. Some of them will ask you for the volume. Let's try another.